Google and innovation, what makes it most innovative? Google's innovation,
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
brief introduction. Google's relentless innovation has revolutionized industries, including business management, making it a global leader in technology. With over 90% market share in search engines as per StatCounter Global Stats reports, interesting demanding AI tools like Google Bard, and transformative products such as Android OS and Google Cloud, Google sets the standard for innovation. Its workplace culture, consistently ranked among the world's best, fosters collaboration and creativity. Explore how Google's advancements in business management solutions, data-driven strategies, and futuristic projects empower organizations globally and cement its position as the most innovative company in the world. Google and innovation, what makes it the most innovative company? Google and innovation share information to influence the development of technology. They are two peas in a data pod, hand in hand. Google is a tech powerhouse that was created in 1998 and has markedly transformed how we interact with information. To arrange all of the world's knowledge, Sergey Brin and Larry Page launched Google, which has produced groundbreaking innovations. In addition to its main search engine, Google has research as well as technology in the areas of augmented reality, self-driving automobiles, and artificial intelligence. This article and the Google innovation strategies show examples of the state-of-the-art technology that supports Google's significant success. How innovation drives success at Google? Here, innovation is more than just a tactic. It is an essential principle that drives groundbreaking discoveries and significant concepts. This tech powerhouse continually changes sectors by funding new studies, requesting innovation, and taking cautious risks. Let's examine its strategy for innovation. Significant research and development expenditure. The business invests billions of dollars a year in creating modern technologies like artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and sustainable solutions. It remains to be the benchmark in many industries because of this forward-thinking strategy. Embracing risks and learning from failures. Failures are seen as opportunities to get better. However, besides their shortcomings, proposals like Google Glass set the stage for wearables and virtual reality developments. This mindset of learning from challenges drives consistent progress. Giving talent the freedom to develop. By implementing programs like the 20% time policy, which has accompanied advancements like Google Maps and Gmail, companies encourage their staff to think creatively. This culture of autonomy inspires creativity and fuels impactful projects. Policies designed to spark creativity. From collaborative hackathons to inclusive work environments, the company fosters a culture that prioritizes creative thinking. These policies enable employees to explore bold ideas and turn them into reality. Taking risks and embracing failure. Even though projects like Google Glass might not have been profitable, the knowledge they made helped open the door for more success in the future. Google's approach to gaining more details from mistakes is an essential component of its innovation strategy. Investing in talent and creative freedom. Google hires top talent globally and gives them the freedom to innovate. The 20% time policy, for example, has led to groundbreaking projects like Gmail, exemplifying how Google innovation strategies nurture creativity. Policies that spark creativity. From inclusive workspaces to hackathons, Google fosters a culture of collaboration. Its policies ensure that every employee can contribute to shaping the future of technology.
you found this video informative and useful. We'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.